The war in Syria started in 2011, and now about 5 million Syrians fled to other countries, and about 6 million they are internally displaced. So I've worked after graduation as a general physician with the Red Crescent in Syria, and then I worked in Lebanon. We were focusing on disaster management and emergency medical services. If you are a doctor, you are neutral, but all of the hospitals in Syria are the favorite target of the attacks. I don't know why.
So last year, together with the School of Public Health, we developed 2 potential scholarships for Syrian refugees. And it was really to ensure that the refugees themselves would be able to benefit from the School of Public Health, but as importantly and hopefully return back and help the people of Syria.
Here in Hopkins, I'm working to research the ethical challenges that are facing doctors, nurses, or health workers working in Syria, related to physical challenges like attacks, the lack of resources challenges, and the cultural challenges.
And another project that Mohammad is working on is to try to examine how the Syrian refugees are accessing healthcare, and more importantly, how we can improve their integration, because it's quite complex.
In fact, I decided to become a doctor because I believe there is nothing nobler than saving people's lives. And to come to Johns Hopkins, it's a dream.
We're very lucky at Hopkins because we have many international students. And so Mohammad, hopefully he's able to learn from what we're doing, but we're really able to learn from his unique perspective.
And I'm very grateful to Johns Hopkins. Johns Hopkins are supporting Syrians by this scholarship, whereas most of the world turned a blind eye for the Syrian people tragedy. My heroes are those doctors who are working still in Syria. They put their lives and their family's life in risk because they know if they left Syria, there is nobody can help those people. I hope to go back to Syria one day and to rebuild the health system in Syria and to rebuild the ethical system with the skills I learned here in Hopkins. I hope that all the Syrians can go back to their country too. And in one word, I hope that they can live again in peace.